Okay, so when you want to add Mayan to your dashboard here, there's two ways you can do it. You can click at the plus sign here, or you can click here in the search bar. So if I wanted to add any icon in my Passco Connect dashboard, I always click here, and then you can search them all, and you want to search it just like how it looks. And if that happens, that it's not there, exit out and use the search bar, and it already recognizes the my. Make sure you're spelling it all one word. I don't know if that might make a difference. So if you tried the plus sign and you couldn't find it like I just did, go to this search bar and type it in, and then it should appear for you, and then you can click on that and it will take you directly to Mayan, and the student should automatically be logged in. So like I have students here, it'll be logged in already since you're in My Passco Connect. So as soon as she clicks on it, it should bring her in. These are just kindergartners, that's why her name's not here, but she is in Mayan for first grade. So it should be working. If you try typing it in the search bar and you still don't see anything, let me know. I hope this was helpful.